Hi friends, it's me, Mary. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my morning plant care routine. If you're interested, just keep on watching. First thing I do is I make sure that my plants get good sunlight. I pull my curtains to the side and let the sunlight in. The next thing I do is I open my window and make sure there's good air circulation. I also turn on my fan. Next thing I do is I turn on my speaker. And this one is dedicated to play only bird songs. Bird songs relaxes me, and I think it also relaxes my plants. I like how my room feels like I'm closer to nature because of this. The next thing I do is I check on my plants. I also check if they have dried leaves and I remove them. But I make sure that they are easy to remove. If my plants have brown leaves like this and they're still intact, I don't really remove them. I just wait and they're easy to be removed. After inspecting my plants, I water those that need to be watered. As you can see here, I have PET bottles filled up with water so that I can easily water my plants in my room. Today I won't be watering my plants because I've already watered them yesterday. Next is I'm gonna spray my humidity loving plants. I love spraying my plants that I even made a TikTok video on it. You can follow me on TikTok to watch that video. If you're on TikTok, comment your username below so I can follow you. Next thing I do is I take photos of my plants. This helps me keep track of my plants and how they've grown since I bought them. If you want to see more of my plants, you can check out my Instagram, it's Fall for Foliage. I will link it below. So the last thing I do might sound crazy to you, but I do stare at my plants every morning. Well, all day. I think admiring my plants is a win-win for me and my plants because they're giving me happiness and I'm giving out positive energy to them. So I stare, and stare. What's your morning plant care routine? I would like to know. Please comment down below. If you like this video, please click on that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!